In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a page in Notion. This is a simple way to keep important notes, documentation, or templates safe from accidental edits while still letting people view the content they need. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect once a page is locked. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. When the page loads, click Login and sign in using your usual method. Once you're in, proceed to the workspace you want to work on. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected so you're locking the right content. You can switch workspaces from the sidebar or workspace switcher at the top of the interface. Next, look for the page you want to lock. You can find it from the left-hand sidebar or use the search bar if it's buried in a nested folder. Open the page so you're viewing it directly. It's important to be on the exact page you want to protect, not just the parent page, so you apply the lock where it's needed. Now, look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot icon. This is the More menu for page options. Click it to expand the settings for this page. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Lock Page with a toggle next to it. Enable the toggle for Lock Page. When you do, Notion will turn the page into a protected state. You may notice a small lock indicator, and importantly, the content will become read only for editing. A few helpful notes, so this makes sense. Locking a page is great for preventing accidental changes, like someone bumping the keyboard, rearranging blocks, or editing a template by mistake. It does not change who can view the page, and it doesn't grant new permissions. Think of it as a safety switch for editing, not a permission overhaul. If you don't see the lock page option, you might not have the required access in that workspace. In that case, check with your workspace admin or make sure you have editor privileges for that page. Also, locking this page applies to the page you're on. Related subpages will have their own settings and aren't automatically locked with it. That's all there is to it. You've gone to notion.com, logged in, opened the correct workspace, navigated to your page, clicked the three-dot icon, and enabled the lock. Your page is now protected from edits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.